Hello, if you're watching this video, you just got yourself some Costco Michelin wiper blades and you want to get them on quick. And my job today is to try to help you get those on as quick as possible. Now, the first thing you should know is when you open the box, you're going to take out of the box your wiper, and usually there's a longer one and a shorter one on the car. You're going to take it out and you're going to find 3 different adapters that you may not even need. These may just go into the trash. You're going to get your instructions that are small and rather confusing. You can look through those, but I'm a visual learner, and that's why I make YouTubes, because there's a lot of visual learners out there that just want to be shown how do you do this. Now, the first step is when you're going to do this, if you turn off this video, just do this one thing before you start putting on your blades. Take a towel that's rolled up and set it right here before you do anything else. Because after you take this rubber blade off, there is a steel bar here, and if you accidentally bump it, it's going to come slamming down and hit right there, and you're going to break your windshield. If you want to know how I know that, I did that the first time I made my first video. And after you do it once and you spend about $300 for a new windshield, you'll never do it again. So save yourself the money and have that towel there. Now, when we take a look at this, we're going to look at the instructions, and the instructions, I'll show you a close-up of this. To determine what type of blade you have, the most common being the one I call a J-hook. In the instructions, they're calling it crochet hook, but that's the type we just will use here. Then we have the side lock variety, the pinch tab variety, and the top button variety. And all of those have instructions, and if you can figure out, go for it. But I'll show you in this video how to do it. Now, after you've looked at the instruction sheet and you understand what kind of a wiper you have on your car and what adapter you need, you're ready to go. Generally, you're going to have just a J-hook. That's the most common type. And in this video, I'll show you how to put a J-hook on. Usually your wiper comes with a J-hook adapter already installed. The toughest part of this whole job is getting the old wiper off. Remember, this wiper's been on a while. The plastic has swollen and oxidized and tightened against the metal. So you might have to struggle a little bit with this, but we'll get it off. I'm going to give you a close-up now to show you how that's done. Okay, this is a plastic covering, and I'm going to take on this one and just pull this plastic out, and it exposes this J-hook. And the hook comes up like this, and it hooks around like my finger is hooking. And in order to get this wiper out, you don't push that way, you pull this way. And sometimes this is where it's really hard. This one is going to slide out fairly easily. Okay, I'm going like that, wiggling it around a little bit, and you can see that J-hook is working itself out, and then it's off. It's a little easier because I did this off camera to loosen it up. So you open this plastic again, lift it, and then pull down, and then you see it exposes the J-hook right there and pulls off, and you can see that J right there. In order to install the new one, you want to lift this up, and they have some little keepers on the end here to protect your blades. You want to take both of those off, and then after you've taken them off, if you look carefully at the new wiper, somewhere in here, you're going to see something, a round piece of plastic right there that aligns with this J-hook. So we simply take this, set it in there, and go like this, and shove it until you hear that click. One more time in review. Here's the end of the metal arm. This is the impact zone if you lose your blade, so I'm going to put that there as a bumper. I have a towel here simply so you could see this easier. Now, to replace this blade, I pull the plastic trim off. The J-hook is coming up like this, and I need to push in this direction to remove it. So I'll push like that. And you can see, in this case, the adapter just fell out. So this is off, and you can see if that comes down, it's going to break my windshield. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the new one, and I'll take a look at it, and I can see this round area that has to go into the J. So I'll take this, drop the J in there, and slide it until I hear it click. Okay. Sometimes that's not a real audible click, but it's in there tight, and I'm done. That's all I have to do, and I'm ready to go. Oops, forgot something. My little adapters at the end here, I have to take these off. They protect the blade, but they're easy to forget on there. So that's all you have to do. Happy driving. Hope you enjoyed this video.